everyone, how are you going? Just got a bit inspired by that guy, Ned. Look how gross he is. What what is that? Like his butt is twitching. Can you see it? Oh, yuck. Anyways, thought I'd get him away from the bed and show you guys some ways to hold a cat. We're just going to grab him. Ned. Okay. So here's the first way. Oops. You just grab them and then they like to nuzzle. So you just give them a little pat. All you have to do is just put one hand holding their little back feet and then one hand holding their back, and then they'll love it. And then another way that you can hold a cat. Another way you can hold a cat is like this. Yeah, they really like that. This is like what I call the show off your cat one. You can hold him around and I don't know, you can go wherever and then just plonk him. You can just plonk him. That's alright. Sometimes he'll get up. Another way you can hold them is like this. He likes that because it's like my neck is floaty and he's in the pool and he's floating around, so he feels like it's a nice warm summer day or something and is hanging out with his friends. Oh, there we go. That's nice. That's nice. That's a good one too. So those are the main ways you can hold a cat, or maybe like a little koala. He looks like a little koala. Front and back. Yeah, so that was just a quick one. Quick tutorial on how to... Oh, he's nuzzling. Good boy. Well, that's a quick tutorial on how to hold your cat. Ned. His name's Ned, by the way. Say bye, Ned. See you guys. I'm going to let him get back to his business. And I hope you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're doing, whatever the time of day it is. I hope you're having a good that time of day. Bye-bye.